What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here. Today is a very special day. Today we are announcing the Nikola AR Plus. It's an evolution of the Nikola Plus, but with more lights, more battery. It's everything you know and love about the Nikola Plus, but just better. So let's take a look. Subscribe and let's ride.
Let's do a quick recap of what the Nikola is and why people love it. Then, we'll get into the AR Plus. The Nikola was one of the first wheels with a really robust frame, able to handle abuse and the typical damage from falls. It does this by having tough body components and a round shape, which is going to prevent a focused collision on a single body part, unlike other wheels. An official collaboration with Gotway, or Pagode, the Nikola AR Plus combines our brand and the Nikola Plus's sleek body. Visual upgrades include a slick AR in the rear light, completely new to the Nikola chassis, a gorgeous additional RGB ring on the side, featuring the Alien Rides mark. Explore without worry. We didn't just upgrade the looks, we also touched up the battery. The AR Plus brings almost 1,000 more watt-hours of battery, bringing it up to 2,700 watt-hours for only 8 more pounds of weight. This upgrade matches the battery size of the badass EXN. Being lighter and having a lower top speed, still easily hitting 40 miles per hour though, the AR Plus is expected to hit ranges of at least 40 miles at high speeds, probably more. This means that range anxiety is a thing of the past on this Nikola. Plus, reusing the Nikola chassis keeps it portable, easily fitting under a seat at the theater or a restaurant. The AR Plus can go everywhere. While the extra cells might raise the wheel's center of gravity a bit, it is barely noticeable from the base Nikola. The AR Plus has the same monstrous torque and zippy acceleration. Just like the Nikola Plus, it's slightly top-heavy, making it a little more difficult for new riders, but the 3-inch wheel keeps you stable. It also retains some nimbleness for dodging obstacles in the city and carving for fun. It can even do some tricks and go down some stairs. Finally, the AR Plus is just an awesome upgrade to the base Nikola Plus, but there are even more advantages. Coming from our online store, it includes a free Alien Rides sticker and our industry-leading 2-year warranty. Currently, the Nikola AR Plus is available for pre-orders at alienrides.com. We expect to get them in later this month. Definitely check out a link to it in the video description below.
Alright guys, that's all we got for this episode on the Nikola AR Plus. Thanks so much for watching. If you all enjoyed it, definitely check out the Nikola AR Plus at alienrides.com. We'll see you all next time.